your Mr. Grand Philippines, City of Batangas! The unbeaten Mr. Grand Bulacan Province! Mark Joseph Marindan, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Caloocan City! Carl Joseph Obed, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Municipality of Las Indias, Province of Zambales! Kim Sanya, Mr. Grand Philippines, Cebu!
Marshall Gunua, Mr. Grand Philippines, CAR, Cordillera Administrative Region. Daniel Capini, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Jeffrey Arsenal, your Mr. Grand Philippines, representing Filipino community from France!
Keith Andriniela, Mr. Grand Philippines, representing Holy Spirit, Quezon City.
Ken Lambert Garcia, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Infanta, Quezon!
Aaron Bacas Reyes, Mr. Grand Philippines, Filipino community of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Aaron Paul Francisco, your Mr. Grand Philippines, City of Malolos, Bulacan! Zachro Sales, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Mandaluyong City! John Christopher Lagos, your Mr. Grand Philippines, City of Manila! Albert Joshua, Mr. Grand Philippines from Marikina City. Luan Peter Senya from the province of Pangasinan. Mark Sester Villan, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Bangin Laguna. Marcus Shelo D. Santos from the Hall of the Champions, Pampanga. Martin Leon, Mr. Grand Philippines, Parañaque City. John Denmark Dumel, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Quezon City. Jonas Zoltani, came from the land of Timor. Mr. Grand Philippines, Quezon Province. Jake Lawrence Coronado, Mr. Grand Philippines, Rizal Laguna. Christian Geka, your Mr. Grand Philippines, San Pedro Laguna. Daniel Paolo Iluma, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Silang Cavite.
Zay Hussein Cortez, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Mark Tagadornea, representing Tagaytay City,